So hi guys. So before a couple of videos, I made a video about what is NFT. I explained what is NFT. So after that, a lot of people DM me personally, say asking about how will I sell it or where will I list this NFTs. So this video is gonna be like I made an NFT and I'm gonna sell it in the OpenSea. So I'm gonna show how you have to list your NFT in the marketplace. So this video is gonna be a tutorial video. So how you gonna list your NFT in the marketplace. Okay, now first go to your Google Chrome extension and type in OpenSea. And I've already searched OpenSea here, so I just log in with OpenSea, and this is the first user interface. So you can see the other listings and other NFTs people who have posted and these trending things and other trending listings on the wall. And these are one of the most famous NFTs. And now press create, and you need a crypto wallet for this, and I use MetaMask, and MetaMask is one of the most famous, and MetaMask is more secure also, and it is very easy to sign in your account here. And you need to just link this OpenSea with your MetaMask account to do all those transactions, and click create again. Again click create, and here's where you post your NFT and give all of the details. Now click the box and select your NFT, and this is something like a ape. I made this NFT using Blender, and fill all other details required, and I'm gonna name this NFT as dark themed monkey and I'm gonna give every detail as like related to the NFT as dark themed monkey alone, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna work out. And another important information, before minting your NFT you need to change this from Ethereum to Polygon, because Ethereum requires a large amount as gas fee. So it is highly recommended to change from Ethereum to some other cryptocurrency. So this is how you make your own NFT, and that's not the end. It is just half a way. Just copy this link, as you can share this to anyone else. So, and it will be more easy for anybody to find your NFT sooner. And you need to select in which method you're gonna sell your NFT. Either it's gonna be betting, or you're gonna list the price, or you're gonna just sell it on a fixed margin price. And I'm gonna going to bet this thing. So it is gonna run around a betting system. My NFT is going to sell in a betting system now, and you need to select the time duration, and you need to give a base fare for this betting system, and I'm gonna give 0.01 ETH for this. And after that you need to complete all your verification and your linking process. Your wallet and this OpenSea market has to get connected with each other, then only the transaction will happen easily. And here you go, your after completing all this process, your NFT will be officially linked with listed in the marketplace. So peace out.